In this video, we are going to see how you can move and copy data within an Excel worksheet or between an Excel worksheet or even between two different workbooks as well. So let's go ahead and have a look. So here we are in our monthly budget example that we have been using in our video series, and we have some data on our sheet over here. So let's say my data over here starts in column A, right? Everything starts from here and it goes all the way to here to F14. Instead of starting over here, maybe I just want to start everything, let's say from column G, right? From G1. So what I'm going to do is I will select all this data right from the beginning till the end. That is, I will left click and drag the selection over here. And then if you take your cursor to the very edge of this selection, you will notice that the cursor changes to a different icon with all the arrows pointing towards different directions, right? So once that icon appears, all you need to do is left click, keep that pressing on, right, to select it. And then you can drag this all the way to the column G or wherever you desire to go to, and just release the button. And once you do that, all your content is then moved to the location that you want it to be, right? So I will undo this change, and for undoing, I can use this icon over here to undo, or I can use the Control Z on my keyboard. Okay, so let me just undo that. Now you can also move a single cell or couple of cells that you select. So the concept is the same. I can just select the cell and then I can move this to a desired location that I want, right? So let me just Control Z to undo changes. So this is how you move your content. Now there's another way to do that is, whatever you want to select or whatever you want to move, you can also cut this and then paste it in a different location. So for example, I just select all this content and I use the shortcut key Control X. And if you do not want to use the shortcut key, there is also a button over here called Cut under the Home tab. You can use that as well, right? So I will use Control X to cut it. Once you cut it, you will see the borders change to marching ants. And what you can do is then go to the cell where you want to paste it. Let me say over here, and I will use the shortcut key Control V to paste it. Or you can use the icon over here which says paste, right? So I will use the shortcut key Control V, and all my content is cut from this location and is pasted to this location. Again, I will undo the changes by Control Z so that all my selection goes back. If you still see the marching ants over here, just press the escape keys and that selection will go away. What if you want to move this content to another worksheet? So to create a new worksheet, all the way down over here where you see sheet 1, there is also a plus sign over here, which is if you click on that, it will create a new sheet. Now if you're using a very old version, maybe 2007 or older, that might be a little different over here. That you might see a little icon over here to create a new sheet. So just click on that and you will see that a new blank worksheet is created with a unique name, sheet 2. So if you want to move the content over here, well, again, you can go to sheet 1, you can select this content, you can cut it, and this time I will use the button cut over here. And as soon as I use the button cut, it is copied in the clipboard, and you will see that the icon paste is now highlighted, right? So I can go to sheet 2 and I can paste it over here by clicking on this button. Again, I will undo this so that it goes back to my sheet 1. Now, instead of cutting it over from here, maybe, it's a monthly budget. It changes from month to month or year to year or quarterly to quarterly. Maybe I want the same content to repeat it in the new worksheet, right? So instead of that, I will copy it. I can use the shortcut key Control C, or I can use the button over here on the Home tab called Copy, and go to the new sheet and maybe start it from here, right? And paste it. So now I have two sheets with two different sets of data which are not related to each other. It's a complete new set of data, right? And then again, I can use the move button to move it from here or place it wherever I want to place it. So these are the few methods of, like moving the content, or copying and pasting the content. This is the way you can do it within an actual workbook and within two different worksheets. Or you can also do the same thing if there are two different workbooks. It's Excel workbooks, right? So why don't you go ahead and try that option and see how you can move the content and how you can copy and paste the content within Excel. So stay tuned for our next video.